If slow PCs drive you nuts but you're not a tech guru, don't worry. Here's how to kick out that pesky malware in just a few steps. First things first, let's hit the safe mode. Restart your PC, and as it's booting up, tap F8 until you see the advanced boot options. Choose safe mode with networking. This stops most programs, including, hopefully, malware, from loading. Next up, delete any temporary files. This can speed up the virus scanning, free up disk space, and even remove some malware. Just type disk cleanup in the start menu, launch it, and select the temporary files you want to get rid of. Now it's time for the main event scanning. You'll need an antivirus. If you don't have one, there are plenty of good free options available online. Install it, update it, and do a full system scan. It might take a while, but it's worth the wait. Found malware? Most antivirus software will give you the option to remove or quarantine it. Choose to remove, and voila, your PC should be back to its normal speed. Finally, keep your antivirus updated to prevent future attacks. Remember, staying safe isn't a one-time job, it's a routine. Keep scanning, keep updating, and keep malware out.